Hi! In front of me is CHUWI Ubook X, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by clicking on your device's settings. Following that, choose Devices and click on Bluetooth and other devices on the left. Then make sure that Bluetooth is on by clicking on the white switcher below it and click on Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Then select Bluetooth from the list and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now wait for it to accept your connection request. Select Connect in the pop-up and click on Done at the bottom right corner of Add a Device pop-up. As you can see, after that, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!